Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I created this beautiful look right here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. It's a cut crease and I used the beautiful Jaclyn Hills palette, which is this one right here. I think it's so beautiful. The colors are really pretty. And yeah, if you want to learn how to create this look, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look right here. As you can see, this is how the eyes turned out. I really love the way that it looks. I paired it off with some dark lips. I think it goes really pretty with the look. If you want to do this kind of for daytime, then I will go for some lighter nude lips. It's up to you. If you really love this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!